A pump that made a difference. Himmat's village got water through a pipeline where people filled their buckets, cans and utensils. No one had ever cleaned the cement tank. After a dead cat was found inside the tank, the village sarpanch got the slimy tank cleaned twice a year. Himmat's school also had a tank and a tap, but no booster pump, so the tank remained empty. In summer, the water the children brought from home finished before they reached school. The children filled a big plastic flask from the houses nearby for the teachers. The girls' and boys' washrooms were locked. The children were taught about health and hygiene and the importance of having a bath, brushing their teeth, cutting their nails regularly, washing their hands before meals and keeping their clothes washed and clean. Himmat's father, a poor farmer, had studied till class 10th. Every evening he helped in the school library and read the daily newspapers. Himmat joined his father and heard the men talking about the problems of the village. Himmat's parents bathed with mud and cleaned their teeth with mango twigs, but gave Himmat and his brother soap and tooth powder. Himmat cut his nails with a blade and bathed at the well in the fields every day. He wanted to win the Clean Child Award on Republic Day, but he had just one uniform and couldn't wash it every day. It wouldn't dry overnight, and too much washing would tear the cloth. One hot summer day, the children swept the school and made it clean. Himmat was hot and thirsty. He looked at the dry, rusty tap and imagined how it would be if water suddenly gushed out of it. He took his empty plastic bottle and went to the houses close by in search of water. It was very hot in the summer sun outside. The jowar crop was drooping under the hot sun. The women didn't want to give the children water. They shut their doors. One woman suddenly leapt out in rage and shouted, "Why doesn't your school give you water? Why do you trouble us every day? We don't have enough water for our own children. Go back, go home. Go anywhere but don't come here again." Himmat was shocked. That evening, he said to his father,
"The houses near our school don't want to give us water to drink anymore. I think they have taken a collective decision." 2 hand pumps have dried up near their homes. There is less water underground, so it is not reaching the taps even after pumping. Your school needs its own pump, so water can be pumped into the tank above. I heard the headmaster say this one day. Why doesn't he get a pump? We feel so thirsty. It's unbearable. The school management committee gets some money to look after the school. The committee won't do anything. Jia Singh's father says that all the money is spent on paper, chalk and salaries. The teachers get water, but we remain thirsty. Don't be sad. I will talk to the others and Bhana Singh, the education officer. The headmaster, some parents and teachers are also on the committee. Water is not reaching the primary school. Is it possible to keep some money aside from the school funds to pay for a booster pump? No. Money can be used for big things like laying drains, buildings and waterworks, not for small things like pumps. The parents and village people should do these things. Sir, people don't mind paying for the Ram Leela. We can also perform a play in our school and people can pay to watch it. The money we collect can be used to buy a water pump. Do you have any ideas for the play? Yes, sir. It will be about a thirsty schoolboy. There is no water in his school and he can't drink from the teacher's water. He and his friends collect water from the nearby houses. The people in the houses refuse to give them water and throw them out. A kind education officer helps him and his friends to put up a play and raise money for a pump. Prabhat Pheris tell the villagers about the play. Many people come for the play. Some give a little money, others more. the school committee buys a pump. The children clean the school tank. The schoolboy who is thirsty is asked to switch on the pump. The pump whirs. The tank fills up with water with a chal 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 sound. The children line up to drink water. The toilets are unlocked. The children carry water to the toilets. The boys line up in front of one. The girls in front of the other. A tulsi pod is planted in the school garden. The thirsty boy waters it. A play may not raise enough money, but we can try.
Bhana Singh got permission from the headmaster to help the children put up the play based on Himmat's idea. The Prabhat Fairies announced the date, time and place of the play. The people who came were moved and donated generously. 6 months later, the school got a brand new black and red booster pump. The children cleaned the dark, dirty, smelly tank. The headmaster announced that the honor of switching on the pump would go to Himmat Ram. Himmat's face flushed with pride. Though Himmat did not win the Clean Child Award, he won the special award announced on 26 January, Good Action Award.